this chapter, we'll delve into the powerful synergy between artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics. We'll explore how AI enhances robotic capabilities, enabling machines to perceive, learn, and adapt to their environments. We'll also examine key applications of AI-powered robotics in manufacturing, healthcare, and service industries. Finally, we'll predict some exciting future trends in robotics driven by advancements in AI technology. Integration of AI and robotics. AI is revolutionizing the field of robotics by providing advanced algorithms and techniques that enable robots to become more autonomous, intelligent, and adaptable. One of the primary ways AI enhances robotic capabilities is through machine learning algorithms, which allow robots to learn and improve their performance based on data and experience. For example, deep learning neural networks can process vast amounts of sensor data, enabling robots to perceive their surroundings with human-like vision and understanding. This allows robots to navigate complex environments, identify objects, and interact with their surroundings in more natural and intuitive ways. Applications of AI-powered robotics. 1. Manufacturing. AI-powered robots are transforming the manufacturing industry by increasing efficiency, precision, and flexibility. Robotic systems can adapt to changes in the manufacturing process more efficiently, such as altered product designs or new products. AI enables real-time course correction and helps robots automatically learn the best paths for certain processes while in operation. 2. Healthcare. In the healthcare sector, AI-powered robots are assisting in surgery, patient monitoring, and rehabilitation. Robotic systems can enhance precision and control during complex surgical procedures, leading to faster recovery times and reduced complications. AI-driven patient monitoring enables continuous tracking of vital signs and early detection of abnormalities, improving overall patient care. 3. Social robots powered by AI can interact with people smoothly, build emotional connections, and provide assistance in daily tasks. Future trends in AI-powered robotics. As AI continues to advance, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in robotics. Some future trends include 1. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. The next stage of AI, known as AGI or Artificial General Intelligence, holds the potential to reach levels of true human understanding. AGI-powered robots could possess human-like cognitive abilities, adapting to a wide range of tasks and environments. 2. Swarm robotics. Swarm robotics involves the coordination of large numbers of simple robots to achieve complex tasks. AI algorithms will play a crucial role in enabling swarm robots to communicate, cooperate, and adapt to dynamic environments. 3. Soft robotics. Soft robotics focuses on the development of flexible, compliant, and adaptable robotic systems. AI will help soft robots navigate unstructured environments, interact safely with humans, and mimic the dexterity of biological systems. Conclusion. In this chapter, we've explored the powerful integration of AI and robotics, showcasing how AI enhances robotic capabilities and enabling a wide range of applications in manufacturing, healthcare, and service industries. As AI continues to advance, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in robotics, from artificial general intelligence to swarm robotics and soft robotics. The future of AI-powered robotics is bright, and it promises to revolutionize the way we live and work. By harnessing the power of AI, we can create smarter, more adaptable, and more collaborative robotic systems that will shape the world of tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of AI and robotics.